English together.
Ordering at a restaurant.
I'm excited to try this new restaurant.
Me too. It smells really good here.
I heard the food is fresh and tasty.
Yes, and the place looks nice.
Hello, I'm Emily, and I'll be taking care of you both today. Can I start you off with some drinks? We have tea, coffee, and soda.
Hi, Emily. I would like a green tea, please.
I will have a coffee with milk.
Great, I will get your drinks. Here is the menu for you to look at.
Everything looks yummy.
I can't decide what to order.
Here are your drinks. Are you ready to order?
This is our first time here. What do you recommend?
I really like the veggie burger and the pasta.
What is in the veggie burger?
It has a bean patty, lettuce, tomato, and special sauce.
That sounds good. I will try the veggie burger.
I will have the pasta. Then we can share.
Perfect. One veggie burger and one pasta coming right up.
Thank you, Emily.
I can't wait to taste the food. This is going to be fun.
Yes, trying new dishes is always an adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.